Hi guys, my name is Allie and we're here at the Blue Tin in Morris, Illinois, and we are introducing the next video for US Classic Muscle Cars.
Yeah, I'm Wyeth. I'm the president and founder of Morris Cruise Nights. We're in our 16th year. It started out with just a bunch of guys having a good time, you know, and we started out about 120 cars. And now we've grown up where we've had 719 cars. And, you know, it's been a great thing for the community. We have a beneficiary every night that we donate the money to, and they have a 50-50 drawing every night. We also have what Golden Scholarship Award. That's a scholarship for the Vocational Center here at Morris. In the auto mechanics class, we give away two $1,000 scholarships every year. And it's just been a great event, great for the community and great for the family, and I appreciate your coverage on this.
Hi, my name's Rhon Barkley. I'm from Huntley, Illinois. Making another cruise night, and it's my 58 Pontiac Bonneville. It's the first year for Pontiac Bonneville. And there was only 6,000 of them made, so
oh, really?
Kind of a rare car.
Wow. How many are left, do you know?
No, I don't know. I looked for 2 years to find one, and they're quite rare. I mean,
wow.
Yeah.
Look at this detail in this paint.
Yeah, I did 90% of the paint work and all that, and tore all apart. It's got the original Pontiac motor in it.
Oh, does it? We'll take a look at that in a minute.
Yeah, 370 cubic inch motor. It's only 1 year motor.
Wow.
It's first year for had the quad headlights on the GM cars. So.
Yeah, that's nice. Look at all that detail.
Nah. The roof and glass is the same as a 58 Chevy, but everything else is different. I had one in 58 as 19 years old. I bought a wrecked one and fixed it up just like this. So I duplicated what I did when I was 19.
Right.
And,
what kind of rims do we have on these?
Them are these are God, what the hell I got? Billet Specialties.
Okay,
Yeah. I got another car with different ones on.
Right, sure.
Yeah.
And then
got the lake pipes on it. They're kind of for racing.
Right, and that really looks good.
I molded in these 99 Bonneville mirrors in the doors.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
That is sweet.
They just had some chrome boxy mirrors on there.
Right. Look what you've done. Wow. Now, how long did it take you to do all this?
3 years.
Wow. And I love how it sits.
It's
great look. Look at this.
It's called indigo ink, the color. Indigo
okay.
ink.
And look at this. You got the perfect thing. You got the, like it looks like a rocket. You got the.
Yeah, well, see, the Sputnik went up that year, so GM, the rocket age started, so they did that on the car for that scheme.
Yeah, that is so cool. That is really so cool. And look at this top, and then the, you got the
scoop up there, yeah, and I got a third taillight in there. See, LEDs, good spot for it.
Now,
didn't have.
Who painted the car, or who came up with the idea for the design?
I did. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I
painted it.
Yeah.
That's very.
You did one hell of a job.
And I did it when I was 19 years old on the first one I did.
Really?
So,
wow.
So I kind of copied the same scallops and everything. These are called scallops,
Okay.
Yeah.
Scallops, right.
The interior is original like it was, but 4 years ago I finally had to redo it because it just was falling apart,
Right, sure. That is so nice. Now can we see the engine?
Okay. See my Indian in there?
Let's see what you got up there. Oh, that's neat. That is neat. That is nice.
Pontiac's Indian Chief, And
all right. Wow. So your friend turned up the engine.
Yeah.
All right. So what are we looking at here now?
Yeah, it's the original motor. It's a 370 cubic inch Pontiac, and then it didn't have air conditioner, power steering, or nothing.
Right. Look at all these fans that are.
This is awesome.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I never seen so many 58 Buicks in my life.
So you were saying what?
Yeah, and I
cubic inch?
it was all just a basic one, so I had to put the heat, air conditioning, and power steering. and all that in it, make all the brackets and everything.
Yeah,
And
that's
then
nice. A lot of work. A lot of work.
and then this here had the condenser from the air conditioner was pretty ugly, so I thought
Right,
I got to
look at
cover it up. So I
That
made
is
that.
nice. That is a nice touch.
Yeah.
That is nice touch.
Beautiful car, bud.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
Sure is.
And then do you let your wife drive it?
Oh, sure, she can. Oh, yeah. She drove the original one, so.
Oh, did she? There you go.
Yeah, it was
There
our
you go.
honeymoon car, one just like it. Yeah. Can they put her down now? All right, thank you.
Sure, please. And then
There are 56 Olds taillights in there.
okay, right.
Different
Okay,
tail
okay.
light.
And then you said you got the racing exhaust. And now do you
Yeah.
take it to the track?
No, I never did this one. No, just for looks now. Yeah,
That is so nice.
but I had them on my original one, so I put them on this one.
Sure, sure.
And I call my car the Dream Catcher because the Indian is the Pontiac's the Indian, so I kept the
right.
scheme going.
There you go. That is so nice. Now, have you won some car show awards?
Yes, lots of them. Not bragging, but I have. Yeah, I've been lucky.
There you go. And
Yeah.
how many times have you been to Morris?
Probably 5 times.
There you go.
Yeah, but it.
I'm going to pause right here.
Yeah. And I have the air conditioning running out all the ashtray holes and stuff. So I kept it all original as I could, but it's got a wild stereo. It's got the heat and air conditioning, and is all in the glove box. You
is
know.
it really? Wow.
Yeah. The radio and everything's in there.
You did a great job.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching me and my car. I appreciate what you've done too. So, thank you.
Live from U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.